Hello and welcome. Now in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the courses created into items for sale. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the memberships area. And if you have a product that has been created, and let's say that you have these two products that are going to be available, and what you want to do is you want to make these courses together available for sale. What I'm going to do to make sure that I identify them, I'm going to go into each course and I'm actually going to add in an image representing both. So in this case, I'm going to select an image. I'm going to select a product thumbnail. And once I do that, I'm going to click upload. This is now going to be the image. I'm going to save it. I'm going to go back to the products area. I'm now going to identify this course. I'm just going to put an image here. Doesn't matter what the image is for the sake of this video. I'm going to upload a file. And I'm going to click the upload button. So I've got my two images here. I'm going to save it. I'm now going to go back to the products area. Now I have these two products here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the offers area. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an offer. I'm going to call this offer something unique. And it can be either course. I'm just going to use this one to start. I'm going to click create. So now I have an offer available. I'm now going to come down here to the included products. I'm going to add the other product. I'm now going to click save. So what you'll notice here is that you have a free offer. What we're going to do is we're going to publish the offer. Now, if I wanted to, I can turn this offer and identify it by its own image. So what we can do is we're going to upload an image here. So now the offer itself has its own identifier. We're going to click save. So we have a specific offer that's now going to be available. And then notice here that this offer is going to be free, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a link. I'm then going to copy this link. So what the customer is going to see here is they're going to get the link. What they're going to be able to do then is going to be able to type in their email address and then their name. And then they will submit. They'll then get access to this product by their own dashboard. Now I'm going to click this. And what you'll see what that customer is going to see. They're then going to have access to the two products that we place inside of the offer. So if I go back to my offers now, we're going to notice that I've got an offer available, and I can always come back to this offer. I can go to this area, I can click checkout, and then I can customize the actual checkout that the customer is going to see. If you recall, we saw that here on this page. And when you come back to this page, you can always make more changes. So what we can do here is we can click this edit button. And let's say we don't want these words to be free offer. What we want this to be is we want this to say something that's going to be more branding. We'll then save this plan. I'm going to click save. And then our offer has now been updated. Customer will come here to this area. They will type in their name and email address. And they will then see the two courses that they have available. They will then be able to click inside of the course. They'll then be able to click inside of the course. So this is how you will then connect a product with a specific offer. And so now the final step is now to take that product link and to make it available in a checkout area. So I'm now going to get that offer link at the checkout. And so I can go here to checkout. I can get the link. I'm going to copy that link, and that's the link now that I'm going to put inside of my checkout. And so let's say that you're using ThriveCart in order to sell. You're going to make that link the success URL. So this ThriveCart buy button, when the person goes through the purchase process, they'll then be taken to the link that we set up inside of here so that they can set up their account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.